We begin the install by removing the HVAC panel. To release the retainers, pull straight back on the panel. Release the connector from the back of the panel and set it aside. Be sure to hold down the release latch fully before attempting to remove the connector from the panel. Remove the two 7mm screws as shown. Starting with the bottom, remove the upper trim panel. Grasp the panel and gently increase pressure until the fasteners release. These fasteners are also designed to release as the panel is pulled straight back. After the panel is fully detached, hold the release latch on the wiring connector and disconnect the harness. Remove the four 7mm screws from the sides of the display. Apply painter's tape to the right side of the shifter, then remove the display, letting it rest against the taped area. The raw metal edge of the dash frame can be sharp, so we recommend using painter's tape over the edge to protect your hands. For better access, we'll remove the three 8mm screws holding the security gateway module. Next, disconnect the 8-position connector from the security gateway module. Be sure to hold the latch on the connector before attempting the disconnect. If the connector is stuck, you can use a small flat screwdriver as shown to assist with the removal. Connect the vehicle harness to the Autostop Eliminator, then connect the Autostop Eliminator to the security gateway module. Tuck the device harness in the area below the gateway module, then reinstall the three 8mm screws. Use a zip tie to fasten the Autostop Eliminator module to the security gateway module as shown. Bending the zip tie into a U-shape will help with the routing of the tie behind the gateway module. It may also be helpful to connect the ends of the zip tie prior to positioning the Autostop Eliminator module. Trim the excess from the zip tie and remove the painter's tape. Position the display into place and reinstall the four 7mm screws. Reconnect the wiring harness to the upper trim panel and press it into position. Reinstall the two 7mm screws at the base of the trim panel. Reconnect the wiring harness to the HVAC panel and press it into position. Now that the device is installed, we'll start the vehicle and ensure Auto Start Stop is off. Once Auto Start Stop is turned off, the device will remember and automatically restore the off setting. After restarting, we can see the off setting was automatically restored. Next, we'll turn Auto Start Stop back on to show this setting is also maintained. We'll turn Auto Start Stop back off and restart one last time. It's that easy to keep Auto Start Stop disabled on your Jeep Cherokee.